Cooked versus raw. 9 vegetables that are healthier when cooked. Before we dive deep, I'd really appreciate it if you click that subscribe button below. I post health tips daily, plus it helps the channel grow a lot. Sometimes you need a little heat to really bring out the best in those vegetables. Some leafy greens and root vegetables you're munching on raw are actually hiding their full potential. In this video, we're going to turn up the heat and explore 9 vegetables that transform into nutritional powerhouses when cooked. This is about getting the most out of your food, understanding how cooking can actually make it more nutritious. So, put down that raw carrot, step away from the salad bowl, and get ready to learn how to really elevate your vegetable game. Let's get started. Asparagus, those long, slender spears, are nutritional powerhouses just waiting to be unleashed. To really break open those treasure chests of vitamins A, B9, C and E, you need to apply some heat. Cooking asparagus is like taking a blowtorch to those cell walls, blasting them wide open and releasing a flood of nutrients. Steaming, roasting, grilling, these methods all work wonders in maximizing the nutritional value of your asparagus. We're after vibrant green spears with a slight crunch, bursting with flavor and nutrients. Roast them, grill them, steam them, just make sure you cook them. Mushrooms, those little fungi wonders, are packed with a secret weapon, ergothioneine. Ergothioneine is a powerful antioxidant, a warrior fighting off those nasty free radicals that wreak havoc on our cells. Cooking mushrooms isn't just about enhancing their earthy flavor and meaty texture. It's about unleashing their antioxidant army. Cooking acts as the battering ram, breaking down the gates and letting those antioxidants loose to fight off free radical invaders. Whether you're sautéing them with garlic and herbs, grilling them to perfection, or roasting them until golden brown, cooking mushrooms unlocks their true potential. These fungi pack a powerful nutritional punch, especially when cooked to perfection. Spinach, Popeye's favorite muscle-building fuel, is brimming with iron, magnesium, calcium and zinc, essential minerals our bodies crave. Raw spinach contains oxalic acid, a natural compound that blocks the absorption of iron and calcium. Applying heat to spinach breaks down oxalic acid, freeing up those vital minerals and making them readily available for your body to absorb. A quick sauté, a light steaming, or wilting it in a pan with a touch of garlic and olive oil is all it takes to unlock spinach's true potential. So next time you're whipping up a healthy meal, remember that while raw spinach has its place, cooking it unleashes a nutritional powerhouse. It's like giving Popeye a turbocharged can of spinach, taking those health benefits to a whole new level. Tomatoes, those juicy red gems, are bursting with lycopene, a potent antioxidant linked to a lower risk of heart disease and cancer. Cooking tomatoes is like handing them a microphone and giving them a stage. It allows them to unleash their lycopene power to the max. Studies have shown that cooking tomatoes can increase their lycopene content by over 50%. So whether you're simmering them into a rich tomato sauce, roasting them to intensify their sweetness, or grilling them to smoky perfection, cooking tomatoes unlocks a treasure trove of health benefits. The significant boost in lycopene from cooking tomatoes far outweighs the slight dip in vitamin C. Carrots, those crunchy orange wonders, are practically synonymous with good vision. Cooking carrots is like giving them a VIP pass to your bloodstream. It breaks down those tough cell walls and makes beta-carotene more readily available for absorption. Roasting, steaming, or even boiling carrots whole before slicing helps retain those precious nutrients, ensuring you get the most out of every bite. So next time you're looking for a healthy and delicious side dish, remember the humble carrot. Don't just munch on them raw, give them a quick roast, steam, or boil to unlock their full beta-carotene power. Your eyes will thank you for it. Bell peppers, those vibrant and versatile vegetables, are nutritional powerhouses, especially when it comes to antioxidants. Cooking those peppers, especially roasting them, is like giving those antioxidants a megaphone, amplifying their effects. Roasting those peppers is like letting that chorus loose on a stage with a full orchestra. The flavors intensify, the colors deepen, and those antioxidants are singing at the top of their lungs. So next time you're looking for a healthy and flavorful way to enjoy bell peppers, crank up the oven and get roasting. You'll be rewarded with tender, flavorful peppers bursting with antioxidants. The significant boost in antioxidant availability from roasting outweighs the slight dip in vitamin C. In brassica vegetables like broccoli, cauliflower and Brussels sprouts are nutritional gold mines. Glucosinolates need an enzyme called myrosinase to transform into their cancer-fighting alter egos. Cooking, especially steaming, helps activate myrosinase and unleash the full cancer-fighting power of these vegetables. Steaming is like that phone booth transformation, turning them into the cancer-fighting crusaders they were meant to be. So next time you're looking for a healthy and delicious way to boost your cancer defenses, remember the mighty brassica family. Give them a quick steam, and you'll be rewarded with tender, flavorful vegetables packed with cancer-fighting compounds. Green beans, those slender green pods, are nutritional powerhouses just waiting to be unleashed. Boiling them is like sending those antioxidants down the drain. A lot of those beneficial compounds leach out into the water. Baking, microwaving and roasting are all excellent alternatives that help retain those precious antioxidants and enhance their natural sweetness. So next time you're looking for a healthy and delicious way to enjoy green beans, think beyond the boil. Roast them with a drizzle of olive oil and a sprinkle of sea salt. Microwave them with a splash of lemon juice, or bake them into a flavorful casserole. Your taste buds and your body will thank you for it. Kale, the leafy green superstar of the health food world, is undeniably packed with nutrients. Raw kale contains compounds that can interfere with thyroid function. Lightly steaming kale deactivates those pesky compounds, making it easier for your body to utilize iodine, a crucial mineral for thyroid hormone production. Steaming is like adjusting the dial, tuning in to the perfect frequency for optimal thyroid health. So next time you're looking for a healthy and delicious way to enjoy kale, skip the raw salads and smoothies and give it a quick steam. Your taste buds, your thyroid and your overall health will thank you for it. Well, there you have it. We've journeyed through the world of vegetables, exposing the truth about cooking and its incredible ability to unlock hidden nutritional treasures. This isn't about abandoning raw vegetables altogether. It's about understanding the power of cooking and how it can elevate your meals from simply good to absolutely fantastic. So, next time you're in the kitchen, don't be afraid to experiment. Roast those carrots until they're caramelized and sweet, steam those green beans until they're tender crisp, and toss those bell peppers on the grill until they're smoky and tender. Embrace the transformative power of cooking and unlock a world of flavor and nutrition. Which vegetable surprised you the most? Let me know in the comments below, and don't forget to subscribe for more health and wellness tips.